everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm developing a bad habit of not filming my intros while at the drag strip. I'm trying to break it, but I get out there, we get to talking, and then before I know it, Daryl's like, hey, you want to make a run? Sure. So I start filming that, and then I get back, we start talking, and I just forget to film the intro. Also, sometimes there is music playing, so sometimes there's a reason for it. But anyway, got back out to the 8th mile drag strip. For those of you that love quarter mile, I did get out to the quarter mile in my last video. If you have not seen that, I'll put a link up right up here. You can go and check out when we ran in the quarter mile. Had some good quarter mile runs at the drag strip. But anyway, guys, enough rambling. Let's get to the video. He got me. He got me. I slipped just a little bit on the light.
Yeah, Bubba.
Thank you, sir. So 624 at 116 with a 15160. He did a 16160 with a 645 at 115. There we go. There we go. Woo. Woo. That was a good run. Tell you what, guys, Daryl's car is flying for a stock converter. But he does have the 355 gears, and I do have the 315s. I had some fun runs. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
621 at 117. So, that ties with my fastest pass that I had in Bowling Green last week. If you did not watch that video, go watch it. We went 9:55 with 621 in the 8th and 9:55 in the quarter. For those of you wondering, go watch the video though. Hey, Daryl went at 640 at 116 with a 16060. That ZL1 guy is getting pretty quick out here tonight.
Hey, so the time slip didn't come out. Can you go to the tower?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys, we're gonna give Gavin a ride down the track. They've okayed me to give him a ride, so we're gonna see how he likes it. You can't really feel this car all out on the street. How'd that feel?
That is intense.
can't feel that on the street.
No, there's no way.
No. See, I've given you rides on the street, but how did it feel like this?
There's no comparison, man. It's, I mean, from the word go, you just feel it in your chest, and it carries through your back, through the back seat, man.
Yeah, these guys are cool for letting us do that. All right, so we had a lot of fun tonight. Daryl finally got me. And actually, he ran, what was your best pass tonight? 637 at 118 mile per hour with a 15860 with a factory stock converter.
Factory converter, G3 intercooler,
355 gears.
355 gears, and some crazy intake air temps.
Still letting it eat though.
Yeah, still letting it eat. I mean, it's working. It's there's a lot to improve on the intercooler, but you know, 100 millimeter really needs a G4.
Yeah.
Intercooler, and I'm just trying to send it for what I got.
Oh yeah. And then I went a 621, which is actually my same tide with my 621 at Bowling Green, but I ran a 148 60 foot in Bowling Green, ran a 151. I ran a little more mile per hour tonight, and so the car is really doing well, and it's like 20, I think it was like 2600 DA tonight, something like that, 26, 27. So still middle of summer, we're still waiting on that boost weather, but I'm not looking forward to winter because I don't like winter. But anyway,
on a positive note, I gapped you on the first run.
You got me.
Yes, I did.
You got me. I got you on second run.
Yeah, you got me second run.
1 for 1.
Third run.
Well, you can't really call that a third run. Oh, dude, I had a passenger and I slept. Well, because he brought you in and I thought he was gonna bring me in, and then he was like this, and I was like, okay, whatever. But I had a passenger. I was giving Gavin a ride down the track. He really enjoyed himself.
Yeah.
You cannot duplicate the feeling of this on the street, in my mind, from dead stop, you know, taking off.
Yeah, and really what'll be fun is that new class we got coming up, you know.
Yeah, next year. Yeah, they're making a class here next year called Limited Street with a 6.0 cap, so it's going to let a lot of us that don't really have a class to run in actually run. And we have another ESS car that we built at HPR, and of course Wengerd Performance tuning, and you did a 653 tonight on a 110 pulley on a stock converter.
Yep, 653 at 116.85.
Yeah, 116. Man, that's moving.
Yeah, almost 117.
Yeah, so moving. But guys, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. And remember, Wengerd Performance.